Unpacking the phrase, put things in place. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming fluent English speakers. Today, we're going to explore a very common but often misunderstood phrase, put things in place. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these everyday phrases can significantly boost your language skills. So, let's get started. When we first hear, put things in place, the most straightforward interpretation is about organizing or arranging objects in their proper locations. Imagine you've just moved into a new home, and you're unpacking. You'd put your books on the shelves, your clothes in the closet, and your dishes in the cabinets. It's all about creating order and making sure everything is where it should be. Interestingly, put things in place can also be used in a more figurative, abstract sense. This is where English really comes alive. It can mean to establish rules, guidelines, or plans to make a situation more manageable or to ensure that something is done correctly. For example, a teacher might put rules in place at the beginning of the school year to create a positive learning environment. Or, a project manager might put plans in place to ensure a project's success. Let's see how this phrase works in real-life examples. Literal, after the garage sale, we had to put all the unsold items back in place. Figurative, the new manager put several new policies in place to improve the team's efficiency. Noticing the context will help you determine whether the phrase is being used literally or figuratively. There are several related phrases that carry similar meanings. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension. Set things up, often used in both literal and figurative contexts, similar to put things in place. Get your house in order, usually used metaphorically to suggest organizing one's affairs or solving personal issues. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, put things in place, and its uses in the English language. Whether you're organizing your room or setting up for success in a project, knowing how to use this phrase can add clarity and precision to your communication. Remember, language is a tool for expressing not just facts, but also nuances and subtleties. Keep practicing, and don't forget to put what you've learned today in place in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.